Hello children, how are you children? You are well and fine? Okay, take care of your health children. We are studying online. Okay, while teaching the lessons, you have to concentrate into the textbook and listen what the teacher is saying you. Okay, so we are today in this session we are going to learn 7th class science chapter 1, and the name of the chapter is chapter 1, food components. Food components. Food components. Okay, and for the reading purpose I am calling your friend Afrin here. She will come and read the lesson for you. So listen her lesson reading and develop your lesson reading skills children. Okay na? So Afrin, come beta.
Yes, teacher.
Come and read the lesson for your friends. Okay, louder. Okay, you have, loudly you have to read. Okay, clearly. Okay.
Lesson 1, food components. In the previous class, we have learned that we eat many kinds of foods like biryani, pulihora, idli, chapati, dal, etc. And you also learned how to cook some kinds of food, making them tasty and palatable by adding oil, sugandha, dravyalu, condiments, etc. The Everyone have their own favorite food. What is your favorite food dish? Why do you like it? Is only favorite food sufficient for you? Why? What food do you eat every day? Think, why do you eat it? Let us do. We eat different types of food items. Make a group with five or six students and make a list of someday today activities and food items we eat. Display your group report. Discuss in your groups with your teacher about the relationship between eating food and performing activities. Food supplies the energy we need to do many tasks in our day-to-day activities. Do we need energy when we sleep? Why? Why not? Do you know that even while sleeping we breathe and circulation of blood in our body goes on? So do you agree that we need energy even while sleeping? Can you add some more activities performed by our body during sleep? Read the following and discuss with your friends. Suppose you don't get food for lunch, how do you feel? If you don't get anything for more than a day, how will you feel? If you don't get food for many days, what will happen to you? Why do we take food? What are the components in it? Let us find out what components are present in our food. Let us do listing our food components. Observe the given packet, figure point 2, figure 2 point, and list out the food components present in it. In table 1, put a tick mark if you find the listed food components present in food items, those of chips, milk, juice, dal, etc., and identify the different components present in them and record them in the table given. Let us do confirmation of presence of food components. Collect different types of food materials like milk, potato, like quantity, oil. Ghee, test them according to the instruction given below. For this you will need test tubes, stand, plate and dropper. You would also need some chemicals as given in each section of testing. Take a sample of each food item in a test tube or plate. Prepare the chemicals needed. Test the samples with them. Note down your observations in your notebook.
Very good. Thank you, beta. Okay na? So children, Understood how Afrin read? You also have to develop your lesson reading skill. Reading is developing your thinking capacity, ability. Okay, so you have to read, children. One lesson twice a day. In the previous class, we have learned that we eat many kinds of foods like biryani, pulihara, idli, chapati, dal, etc. And you also learned how to cook some kinds of food, making them tasty and flattable by adding oil, sugandha dravyalu in the sense, okay, condiments, etc. Everyone have their own favorite food. Is it right or not? Everyone not eat same foods. Everyone's habits, okay, everyone's favorite list is different. I like biryani, some will like fried rice, some will like dal, roti, some will like rice, okay, and pulihara. So the favorite food is different person to person. Okay, what is your favorite food or dish? Why do you like it? The question is asked for you, children. What is your favorite food? So you have to write your favorite food name. Okay, and why do you like that? That reason also you have to mention that. Okay, is only favorite food sufficient for you? Why? What food do you eat every day? What type of food do you eat every day? They asked you. Think, why do you eat it? Think, why do you eat it? Okay, so you have to think that. Let us do one. What they told, children? We eat different types of food items. Make a group with 5 or 6 students and make a list of some day-to-day activities and food items we eat. Display your group report. Discuss in groups with your teacher about the relationship between eating food and performing activities. So children, they told you one activity. When our school is physically will reopen, we'll do that activity. Otherwise, in your home, you have your brothers and sisters. With them also, you can do it there. You have to, okay, form a groups. And in the groups, you have to discuss about the what food activities. Day to day, what type of food you will eat. Okay, that you have to discuss and submit the report. Okay, food supplies the energy we need to do many tasks. Task means what? Work. Okay, we will do many work, different types of work, and we need to, and we complete to that work, we need energy, children. So how we will get that energy? By eating different types of food only we'll get that energy. Okay, do we need energy when we sleep? This is different question, no, for us. What they ask here? Do we need energy when we sleep? Why? And why not? When we sleep, children, do we need any energy? If it is need, why? And if it is not, why not? We have to write the answer. So, do you know that even while sleeping, we breathe and circulation of blood in our body goes on? Children, do you know when we sleep, okay, while sleeping, we breathe and the circulation of blood, okay, the circulation of blood in our body, okay, goes on. Circulation of the blood in our body goes on. So, do you agree that we need energy? So children, while sleeping also our body is working. We are sleeping, but our body parts are working. We are breathing and the blood circulations The blood circulation is going, okay, is going on in our body. The blood is circulating in our body. So this process need the energy. Okay, that's why the old people will say us, if it's the dinner time, if we'll refuse to eat dinner, వద్దు నాకు తినాలని లేదు, వీళ్ళు సేమ్ మీన్స్ ఓకే, మన తాత ముత్తాత మన అమ్మమ్మలు అంటారు కదా, పడుకునే ముందుకు ఏమైనా తిని పడుకోవాలి, ఎంటీ స్టమక్ పడుకోవద్దు, ఒంటికి మంచిది కాదు, పాత వాళ్ళు అంటారు కదా. ఎందుకంటే ఓకే, మనం పడుకున్నా సరే మన బాడీ పార్ట్స్ పని చేస్తూనే ఉంటాయి. సో ఆ ప్రాసెసింగ్కి ఓకే స్ట్రెంగ్త్ ఎనర్జీ అవసరం కదా. సో మనం పడుకున్నప్పుడు కూడా ఓకే మనకు ఎనర్జీ అవసరం. అందుకే పడుకునే ముందుకు డిన్నర్ తప్పకుండా తినాలి, ఎక్కువ తినకపోతే కొంచెమైనా తినాలి అంటారు. ఓకేనా? సో ఐ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఇన్ టు ద తెలుగు బికాస్ యూ షుడ్ బి అండర్స్టాండ్ మోర్ క్లియర్లీ. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్, can you add some more activities performed by our body during the sleep? Read the following and discuss with your friends. Suppose you don't get food for lunch, how do you feel? Suppose you don't get food for lunch, how do you feel, children? Suppose in the lunch time you don't get food for lunch, how do you feel? You will get giddiness, okay, so weak, okay, even you are unable to speak also. Sometimes you will get stomach aches, headaches. Am I right? Why? Because our body required energy. If we will not eat, our body become weak, so we'll feel like that sensations. Okay, so we should take the food in the proper time. Lunch, take the lunch time. Dinner should be taken at the dinner exactly time, and breakfast should be taken at the breakfast exactly time. We should not skip the eating habit. Okay, eating food habits, we have to maintain that times. Okay, if you don't get anything for more than a day, how you will feel? If you don't get anything more than a day, how you will feel? One day complete you did not get any breakfast, any lunch, any dinner, you are fast, so how you will feel? They asked here. Tell. One time lunch we will not get, you will get the giddiness, weakness, stomach ache and headaches. So complete a day you will not get breakfast, lunch, dinner, how you will feel, children? You can't do any work, you will feel very weak, even you can't stand, even you can't speak. Okay, I'm correct? You will sit one side and the giddiness same will be there, and the black dot, okay, so the black spots will become, okay, inside in front of your eyes. Okay, so you will get sweating also. So these are the weakness, loss of energy symptoms. If you will not get complete a day food, you will get these symptoms, loss of energy symptoms. Okay, sometimes your BP will go low, okay, become low, you will fall, and you maybe you should, okay, maybe you need a hospital, okay, treatment also, if you not get complete a day food, maybe. Okay, because our body require food to produce energy. Okay, so the food is very important for our body. Understood? Next, if you don't get food for many days, what will happen to you? If you not get food for many days, maybe somebody can die also, because a machine require fuel for the work. So our body also, children, like a machine. If you not give any food, means is energy sources, okay, then how can this machine will work, children? Simply we may die also if you not get many food for many days. Okay, so the food is very important. Did you understand? So తెలుగులో ఒక సామెతం ఉంది, అన్నం పరబ్రహ్మ. ఓకే, అన్నము బ్రహ్మంతోని సమానం, దేవుడితోని సమానం. అందుకే పాతకాలంలో మనుషులు తినేటప్పుడు చేతుల్లో నీళ్ళు తీసుకొని ఇలా ఇస్తరాకుల్లో చుట్టూ జల్లి, ఓకే, ఇలా కొంచెం తాగి నెత్తి మీద వేసుకొని, అందుకే దేవుడు నామస్మరణ చేసి నోట్లో ముద్ద వేసుకుంటారు. పాతకాలం వేసుకునే వాళ్ళు ఇప్పుడు కూడా కొందరు వేసుకుంటారు, కానీ మోడర్నైజ్ వల్ల, ఈ పాశ్చాత్య దేశం అంటే అవుట్ ఆఫ్ కంట్రీ ఎఫెక్ట్ వల్ల కల్చర్లో కొన్ని మార్పులు వచ్చినాయి అంతేకాని, సో అన్నాన్ని దేవుడితో సమానం భావిస్తారు. ఎందుకంటే దట్ ఫుడ్ ఓన్లీ ప్రొడ్యూసెస్ ఎనర్జీ, సో దట్ ఫుడ్ ఈజ్ గాడ్. ఓకే, సో food is very important for us children. Why should we take food? What are the components in it? So why should we take food? And what are the components in it? They asked here. Let us do listing out food components. So what are the components in the food? We are listing out now. Okay. So in table 1, put a tick mark if you find the listed food components present in food items. Collect some other food packets as well like those of chips, milk, juice, dal, etc. and identify the different components present in them and record them in the table given. So they given here one table, children. Okay, what are their columns means? Food items, carbohydrates. Okay, so I will draw that, it is more clear for you. Okay, table 1, food items and components. Okay, so what are the food items and components? We'll see. Food items, carbohydrates, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, other if any. Okay, so we'll have to tick here. So children, here they given milk powder. Okay, in the milk powder carbohydrates are there? Yes. Proteins are there? Yes. Fat is there? Yes. Vitamins and minerals also there, and others also there. Okay. The next we have to write meat. Okay. In the meat, carbohydrates not there. Okay. Leave it blank. Okay. Where it is there? Okay. Which are present there only have to put right. Proteins are there. Fat is there. Vitamin and minerals also there. Others also there. Carrot. Okay, carbohydrate is there. Okay, protein and fats are not there. Vitamins and minerals are there, and others are there. Fruits. Fruits. Okay, in the fruits what is present? Carbohydrate also there. Okay, protein also there. Fat is not there. Okay, vitamin minerals are there, and others also there. Okay, so you have to fill in this table, children. I will show you. See, children, like this you have to fill. Okay, na? Okay, so on the board I drawn that table. You have to fill it. Completed, children? Okay. Now see, children, here. What are the components found in biscuits? Okay, what are the components found in the biscuits? What components are most common in your list? Do you find any vitamins and minerals in them? What are they? Where do you write salt and sugar? Why? Are there any food item with similar components? So these are questions you have to answer by your own children, because you are 7th class children and you will understand that. So which food item contain what type of components? Okay. So I think you will write that. Okay. So it's very easy. You have to do it that. What are the essential components of food? What are the essential components of food? Our food consists of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Besides these, water and fibers are also present. There are the essential components of our food and we call them nutrients. What are that? Nutrients. The components present in food substances can be tested easily through simple experiments. The components which are present in the food item, we can easily test it. How? Okay, simple experiments. So they given here one experiments. Confirmation of presence of food components. Confirmation of presence of food components. Collect different types of food material like milk, potato, little quantity oil, ghee. Test them according to the instruction given below. For this you will need test tubes, stand, plate and dropper. You would also need some chemicals as given in each section of testing. Take a sample of each food item in a test tube or plate. Prepare the chemicals needed. Test the samples with them. Note down your observation in your book. This is the experiment told to you, children. So experiment 1, test for starch. Okay, preparation of dilute iodine solution. Take a test tube or a cup and add few drops of iodine crystals to it. Then dilute it with water till it becomes light yellow or brown. Take a sample of food item in the test tube. Add a few drops of dilute iodine solution to the sample. Observe the change in color. What do you find? So the observations you have to write. Okay. So this experiment you can do being at home. It is possible. Otherwise, when the school will be physically reopened, children will do it into the science lab. This experiment. Okay, na? If the substance turns dark blue or black, it contains starch. If the substance turns dark blue or black, then what is the meaning? It contains starch. Try with ripened banana and curry banana. So, now this experiment we have to try with the ripened banana. Means pandina articaya, and curry banana means raw banana. Pachiga articaya. Okay. Dantoni experiment cheyali. Okay. Test for fats. Okay. This is a testing for fats. Take a small quantity of each sample. Rub it gently on a piece of paper. If the paper turns translucent, the substance contains fats. So here, one another experiment they told you, children, testing for the fats. What they told you? Take a small quantity of each sample. Rub it gently on a piece of paper. If the paper turns translucent, the substance contains fat. Okay, some oiliness will be there, no? So if the paper turn into that translucent, so it meaning it is containing fat. Recall your past experience when you have eaten vada or any other food items on a paper plate. You might have noticed the paper plate turning translucent. Okay, you have to recall your experience when you eaten vada and what? Vada and any another oily food in the paper plate. So you may notice the paper plate is turned into the translucent. Oil markలు ఉంటాయి దానిపైన. That means it contains fat. Understand? Now experiment. Okay. So children, these all you have to go through once reading, children. Okay. And try to understand. Reading is a very good habit. If you read, then only you will understand, children. And it will develop your word power, thinking ability, and you able to write the answers in your own words. Because if you understand once the what subject given into the lesson, it is very easy to write in your own words that answers. Understand? So that's why I'm requesting you, make a habit of lesson reading. Will you follow? Yes, you have to do it then, children. Okay. Once you do 2 minutes, the page number 1 and 2 silently lesson reading, then we'll discuss the further topic. Okay. So children, reading over. So it's time to the homework. Sakshi, you have to write, children. Sakshi. Subject right here. Science. Class you have to write here. 7th class. Okay. And HW you have to write here. Okay. Learn and write. They given the tables here. Okay. Learn and write question 1, 2, 3, 4 from textbook page number 7. Learn and write question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from textbook page number 7 in HW one time. Okay, and here take the parent sign, and your teachers will give the sign when school will be physically reopened, children. Okay na? So do this work and send it to the given school mail ID in a time, children. Don't keep any pending works. Okay na? So we'll meet remaining part of this lesson in the next session. Till then, children, bye bye.